Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. I'm Kate.
Mackenzie here. We're going to zoom in just to hair on that one so you can see us a little bit. How's everybody doing on this Wednesday morning? Hump day.
Yay, halfway through the week.
Whoop, whoop.
Yep.
Making it.
We're making it.
Still alive.
We are.
Most of us. Good morning, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for joining. I know it's so tiny back there.
Okay.
So it is Wednesday. It's Win It Wednesday here at My Absolute Beauty. Real quick, I'm Kenzie.
Kate.
We're here at My Absolute Beauty, the USA headquarters for LA Bonnet and Everlasting Brows. On Wednesdays, we do Win It Wednesday, where we give away some goodies. So if you were watching yesterday, you saw that we talked about some of our top 5 little goodies, or top 4 goodies that we just love. They're great for the everyday makeup bag.
Right.
They're great for men. I mean, they're tweezers and little shavers.
Great.
So, yeah. So today for Win It Wednesday, once again, it's a 3-pack of these brow shavers, which are great. And you can do like your peach fuzz or upper lip. Sometimes I do like my husband's earlobe. He doesn't quite have like
just peach
hairy
fuzz
mani yet. Yeah, it's just baby fuzz.
Yeah.
So I do it on his ear with these.
I know my husband, he likes it. Men a lot of times like it for the middle.
The little unifuzz.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah.
And it gets up close, so you don't have to use your little shaver and then it looks like pepper on your...
And you can angle it.
right there.
Yeah, you can angle it more, so you don't actually have to like do the whole blade, take off your inner hairs there.
Yeah.
But then next up, we've got our cute little lash wands here. They've got the eyelash detailing on the end of it. I don't know if you can really see that. But these are great because they're reusable, and it's got a really nice seal on it, so you can toss it in your purse.
Plunger.
Yeah, toss it in your purse, your backpack, your glove box, whatever. It might be waterproof.
It probably is with that plunger.
And these guys come in a little 5-pack. So those are fun. You can give them out to clients or
lash lids, lash extensions, for to go, for gifts, anything like that.
Little goodie bags or something.
Yeah.
So super cute with those. And then we have
the tweezers, My Absolute Beauty tweezers. These work really, really good. I use these.
Mindy.
Yeah, she was using some. She has some, so she uses them. But I have some too, and I love these. They get the smallest, thinnest hairs, the coarse hairs.
They are sharp. They have a really nice edge to them. They grip really well.
Yeah, it grips really well, and they close really well too.
And it's really, really pointed at the end, so you can really get up into like the arch to get those little baby hairs.
Right. Hey, Mindy.
Morning.
How are you? When are you joining us, Mindy? For our live, when are you going to join in?
Yeah. Anytime, whenever you're ready.
Mindy's one of our trainers.
Yes.
Yeah, master trainers for LA Bonnet eyelash extensions, lash lift, and she does henna too, I believe. Right?
So.
Or tint. Mindy, do you do henna or tint? What all are you certified in?
The last thing for the giveaway is these little mini micro, or not micro, what are they called?
Yeah, I guess
Wonder.
They're Wonder Wand applicators. But I'd like it to do a reverse lash lift for my bottom lashes because they stick straight up. You can't see them. I have no mascara on my bottom lashes. That's not great. But they're itty bitty little, teensy tiny little things. But you can get under there in that little lash and just do it that way. Yeah. I think it's easier than like the bigger ones like these.
Especially because those hairs are so short, so you can really get that thing under there and kind of twist out any kinks or clumps of mascara. So Mindy's in Canada right now for lash education with Nala.
Ooh, nice.
Wow. That's pretty exciting. Good for you.
Up in your game, Mindy. Yeah,
she does henna, lift, tints, and extensions.
Yes.
She's one of our master trainers here in the US. So, so that's it for Win It Wednesday. We have it posted over on our Instagram page at My Absolute Beauty. So go over there, check it out, enter to win. That is the only place that you can win is over on our Instagram page. Share it with friends. Again, this is a cute little goodie bag, and these are fairly inexpensive too. So if you wanted to buy some bundles of these for your salon or for friends,
like it for clients. I would send them home with that.
I mean, I think this 5-pack is $4. So you can get, a handful of these, a bundle of these, and be able to give them to your clients or into a goodie bag. If you do anything like with Eliplex or Elevate, you know, you can just toss this in the bag and send it home with your clients. Same with our brow pencils. That'd be a really cute little goodie bag.
That would be cute.
But so yeah, go check it out over there. We have, what else do we have here?
Just about the Mad Lounge, and then this.
Oh, so we, Jody and McKay Jolly, the owners of My Absolute Beauty, sponsored a local high school. So we've got Dixie High School. So here is our awesome, what is this? I guess, or advertisement?
Yeah,
I guess.
This is our advertisement. And
so this will be posted in schools and grocery stores and auto shops and you name it, all over the place. Where we live is very active. People are very outdoorsy, active. So, and we, you know, year round. It's actually about this time of year that we get the most tourists because it's perfect weather.
Yeah.
So
we're right in the middle of what, 7 national parks?
Yeah, dead center to 7 national parks. So
people
it's a hot spot this time of year. Yeah.
And then our Mad Lounge open. Thanks to everyone that came out yesterday. I really appreciate it. We appreciate it here with our Mad team, Mad family.
If I share the video a lot, do I get a chance to win from My Absolute Beauty? You sure do. I don't know who that is, but you share that video.
You can do that.
Get us some views on there, please.
And then the other thing is the plasma pen that we did for trainings.
So, yesterday, real quick, just to end that, at the Mad Lounge opening, it was fun. We did a henna demo, so I'll be putting together a video of that.
Before and after of the henna pictures.
Yeah, we'll be posting some of that stuff, but yeah, it was fun. It's open. Anybody's welcome to stop by whenever. We're always here.
Yeah, so it's a warehouse on one side, and the other side is the Mad Lounge. So come on, check it out. Check out our product. You can come pick it up. We even do free deliveries for local cities around Washington, Utah. So make sure you jump on that because that's nice. They bring
St. George, Ivans, Hurricane.
Yeah, you're out of lashes. You just jump on, order it, or
River.
call. Yeah. Anywhere within like 30
And
minutes.
we deliver Monday through Friday between 10 and noon.
Yeah.
So get on that.
On there.
All right, guys, we are going to... Well, Kate, yes, you can share the video and have a chance to win. Of course, anybody can win.
It's the other Kate,
Oh, quick little update on our plasma. Things are looking
she had
good
right here.
I had it right there. Pretty much everything's off of it. It looks like it did before I got the pen, I think.
Any improvement?
Not that I've really noticed.
Pen, you do need sometimes more.
Yeah, well,
it's not a one-time wonder for everything.
It was I mean, you can feel the indentation.
I feel like it looks a little bit. I feel like it looks a little bit different.
I mean, it's only been what, a week and a half, so it takes about a month and a half. So we'll see.
Yeah. For final results, and then I did my hands.
They're looking good today too.
They look a lot better. I still have a lot of the scabs are still on. Lovely. Okay, but yeah, they are. Yeah, they are looking
a
good.
lot better even than yesterday. Yeah.
A lot of them are gone, but I'm a huge fan of the plasma pen. That we did a training. Well, I did a training. She does the photography and all the pictures for content and all that. But video, social media, marketing, all that stuff she does. And then I'm the educator, so I took the plasma pen course, and I love it. We still aren't offering it yet. We're working on a few things. We don't know what we're doing yet.
There's a lot of research and
lots of research, tons.
You know, all sorts of different things that the owners have to put into factor, like if it's popular, if it's wanted, you know, what kind of profit is it going to be? How's it? Where do you get the product? Is it safe? Is it, you know, all those kinds of things? Because we don't want to just buy anything.
No.
And start selling it, and then
no Amazon stuff.
Start getting damaged lashes, or So
no Amazon stuff.
Jody and McKay do a really great job on really researching before even, you know, making a decision, and that's kind of why they tried the training. Jody just wanted to get a feel for it, understand what it is, be able to ask questions.
And this is why we love Elibana too, because they are so high quality, and you get consistent results and that's
And
why
so
it
much
is
of their
number
stuff
one.
is vegan,
It's great,
cruelty
yeah.
free. You know, that's the things that like we really value is
Yes.
healthy stuff,
And we
especially
want
when
to
it's
work
going
here,
near
too.
your eyes and
Yeah.
you know your face and things like
Yeah,
that. So,
and you want to have pride in what you are working with too.
Yeah.
So, which we
Yeah.
are. We do have lots of pride. I love the products. I think they're great. So,
yeah.
yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we are gonna hop off for today. We'll be back here tomorrow for Trending Thursday. Let us know if you have any suggestions on what we should talk about.
Yeah,
We're
if
always
you have
open to
something.
suggestions, and make sure that you go over to our Instagram page once again at My Absolute Beauty and enter to win our giveaway.
Make sure you're following us.
Yep, make sure you're following us. All the instructions on how to enter are in the description. So yeah, it's our last post. So go and check it out and have a great day.
Okay,
See you tomorrow.
See you guys.
Bye.